This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by highlighting the exact cells you want bordered. Precision matters to avoid extra formatting. Once you've selected the range, open the Borders menu on the Home tab or use Alt+H then B to get there quickly. Make sure to preview the quick presets first for common looks. If you need custom line styles or thicknesses, choose More Borders to access the Format Cells border controls and proceed to pick style and color. Now refine the borders by selecting a line style, weight, and color. This determines readability and visual hierarchy. Once done, apply borders to the desired edges, outline the whole range, add inside grid lines, or set individual side borders for headers and totals. Make sure to use the preview pane so you know exactly where Excel will draw lines if it looks off. Change the edge selectors and reapply until the layout matches your design intent and print preview. Finish by copying border formatting where needed with the Format Painter, which saves time when applying identical borders across sheets. Once satisfied, inspect how borders look in page layout and print preview to ensure thin lines aren't disappearing. If adjustments are required, remove borders with no border and reapply stronger weights or contrasting colors. If borders still don't appear, make sure cell fill color isn't masking them and that printer settings aren't set to omit grid lines. These fixes resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.